Sphere on the western storm now.
Mostly sunny, 67.
I think it includes Franklin.
Freiburg, mostly sunny, 81. Augusta, mostly sunny, 75. Bangor was partly sunny and 76. Sunny, 76. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported partly sunny, the temperature was 70. At Concord, it was cloudy and the temperature was 81 degrees. In Lebanon, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 87. Whitefield was sunny at 83.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, central Franklin County in western
Franklin.
Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Granby, Southampton, Hadley,
Freaking time.
Williamsburg, West Hampton, Whately, and Pelham. A thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hamden County in western Massachusetts, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northampton and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, are indicated. The storm has had a history of downing power lines in Williamsburg. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Granby, Southampton, Hadley, Hatfield, Williamsburg, West Hampton, Whately, and Pelham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
I don't know why that took so long, but
Middlesex County.
whatever.
6:19 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Shirley, or 7.
What the hell's going on, man?